This whole mod took me about 2 hours to do because desoldering the switches is very difficult. In fact, I broke 2 switches already. I melted one part away. I swapped out the Kailh tins into TTC greens. And so far, it solved, as I tested, it solved its pre-travel and post-travel in terms of scrolling up or scrolling down. I swapped the switches with GM 8.0s. I've never tried GM 8.0s from Kailh's before, but we'll see. So I just would like to share this as well. In order for you to tear this down, you need to remove the 2 screws right here. There you go. I chopped the feet so the screws will just show up and I can just open it anytime I want. Big brain moves. Now that I've reassembled it, sounds really good, but it's a little too crunchy for my taste. A little too hard to press. I guess it's fine. I might swap this out with TTC golds next time. So a question I had is, what kind of grips can you use for this mouse? I don't buy lizard grips. I always go for the more budget option that you can use. You're gonna need, I'm just gonna put it right here. Why do you need masking tape? This is important, the first step, when you're going to shape the grip that you're going to stick on your mouse. So I'm going to cut one, and then I'm going to stick it to, there you go. So now that it's stuck there, what you're gonna want to do next is to trace the sides of your mouse. Okay, I'm done tracing the shapes that I want. As you can see, they're already marked. This right here is the weather strip I'm using. I'm using a brown one because brown looks good on black. Alright, so I stuck the masking tape back to our weather strip and then we're going to cut it out. Now that we've cut it to shape, I am ready to stick this in. That sounded wrong. Anyways, what we're gonna do next is we're going to swap out the feet and change them with generic feet that we've got here. There you go. And now the feet are done. I tried this on my mouse pad and the glide is really very good.